Hey everybody, Josh here, Ham Shack TV, AA4WX. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for subscribing, all that good stuff. So, Sunday we made a video because we had an unfortunate thing happen with my HF antenna last week, or over the weekend, and I have repaired it. Now, unfortunately, I didn't record it because with me having to fly the drone to repair it, that makes it a little complicated to do. So I wanted to make an update video, let y'all see it, and see what you think. Let me know. All right, folks, so here we are in front of the house. And so I operate with the Chameleon TP Light 2.0. It's a tactical dipole. And forgive the green on the side of the house. It's not quite warm enough here to pressure wash yet, but so counterpoise goes down and goes underground, goes out that way. Here's the main element. You can see where the coax comes out of the house, and there goes the main line all the way up to the top of this first tree. I'm gonna try to keep the camera out of the sun there. And it's straight up above us. That's about 25 feet up at this tree. And then you can see the line continues and impacts at that tree, right at the pretty doggone close to the tippy top. There's the tippy top of it right there. And it turns into paracord, which I have guide off right down here. I'll show you. This isn't the way I want to do it. I'm going to get some anchor, but I've just got it tied up to that little block right there. So you can see the damage happened to the tree. Doesn't look like a lot, but when it impacts your antenna setup, it's quite a bit, especially when you got to fly the drone to replace it. Guy on a tiny motorcycle there. But you can see the big branch out of the tree fell. Now, it's a pretty large branch. The antenna used to lay right up here in between the forks of these branches, and you can see, compared to my foot, it's about half of my foot in width. So, and it came down with some force. We got a pretty good hole there in the ground. But the beautiful part is we've actually gained about another 10 feet when it comes to the height of the antenna. So I'm pretty happy with it. And I'll come back over and give y'all another look at the transformer. Again, this is the Chameleon TP Light 2.0 antenna. It's a pretty good antenna. I'm pretty pleased with it. It does good for what I need it to. And of course, we've got the J-pole there for VHF and UHF. See the back side of it. Okay, y'all, so thanks for watching. Appreciate you being here. Those of you that take interest in the damage, appreciate the concerns and that kind of thing. Boy, this little motorcycle's loud for no reason whatsoever. Have no idea why a grown man is riding a toy down the street, but so be it. It's up to him to do whatever he wants. So low production value here, not doing a whole lot of things with this particular video, extra as far as editing and things like that. Matter of fact, like I say, we're just shooting on the iPhone. So anyway, got a lot coming up here in the next few days. Not much here on the channel. We'll try to put out some pretty easy content for you, but this weekend, and hopefully whatever this is goes away by then, but this weekend, this Saturday's the Dalton Ham Fest, the start of the Ham Shack TV Ham Fest tour. So we're going to be in Dalton, Georgia on Saturday morning covering that event for y'all. Really looking forward to that. And if you've got any ideas for content for the channel, let me know. Jump down in the comments, and I'd be happy to think about anything that y'all want me to talk about. Don't forget to go check out the Ham Shack TV store. Got quite a bit in there. HamShackTV.com. Go check it out. That's it for now, y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 693.